You do it by yourself, or mommy, or daddy? Who does it?
Daddy.
Daddy brushes your
Oh
teeth
my
for you?
God.
Daddy brushes your teeth for you? He does a good job? You like when daddy brushes your teeth? Yes? Okay.